AGD Biomedicals is known for researching, developing, and manufacturing biomedical equipment and reagents. Delivering excellent service globally, and defined by quality and precision, presents AGD2260. AGD2260 is a high-performance benchtop analyzer delivering 200 tests per hour for accurate quantitative analysis. An advanced on-board cooling system maintains reagent stability, while 40 sample positions, including stat, support efficient routine and urgent testing. The AGD2260 features 6 reaction holders with 90 individually replaceable PMMA cuvettes, offering a flexible and cost-effective solution. Sample and reagent probe has integrated level, position sensors and switch available for vertical and horizontal movement and detection of the position of probe. The bidirectional LAS ensures seamless, automated exchange of test requests and results for efficient data flow. AGD2260 includes a power switch for 24/7 reagent cooling and an analyzer switch to save energy during idle time. It has a well-developed software with multiple login profiles. AGD2260 has fully inclusive homepage providing access to all features. With 9 wavelengths, the AGD2260 enables real-time data analysis and continuous test tracking, along with real-time monitoring of onboard reagent volumes. Advanced online reaction curves streamline result evaluation and enable precise identification of substrate depletion. Intuitive software enables multipoint calibration, tri-level QC, along with Levy-Jennings plot. A wasteful alert prevents overflow and contamination, while a low water alarm ensures uninterrupted performance. AGD2260 provides a variety of dedicated system packs, including smaller sizes, for flexible, customer-specific solutions. LIS bidirectional system enables faster data entry and smoother navigation. Count on us for substantial value through reliable, stable, and top-notch performance. Rely on our exceptional expertise and make the best choice for your lab.